Alright, welcome to another video of shaking for our daily Bitcoin Satoshis. Let's do it. Alright, that's day 21 day streak now. And we get 82 Satoshis today. That's a total of 2,606 that we've got so far. And yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. If you don't already know, Shakepay is a crypto exchange, but they also have great features such as the one I just used, which is that one is in particular is called Shaking Sats, where you shake your phone to receive daily Satoshis, and that helps you to build up your Bitcoin balance. So it's a way of getting free Bitcoin, basically. And there's other ways, such as the cashback, Roundup, Shake Squad. Shaking Sats is the one that I just displayed. But what's the point of all of this? Why am I bothering to shake my phone every day for some small amounts of Bitcoin? Well, because this is possible, right? Something like this is possible. After 1,000 days, you start getting like 1,000 Satoshis per day, right? And that's more than $1 a day. And you could be earning like, over $300 a year shaking your phone, basically. There are people that have done this and they're on close to 2,000 day streaks. And on this app, they've earned, I did the video that I did, I think the one before this, I showed how, somebody has made like close to $5,000 Canadian just by shaking their phone consistently for 5 years. It's literally that simple. So, there's those type of incentives, right? And obviously, once you hit 1,000 days straight of shaking your phone, you can't miss a day, because if you miss a day, your streak ends and you have to start again from scratch. You join the Comma Club and you get great merch like this sweater. So, I'm working towards becoming part of that elite Comma Club of 1,000 days consecutive without stopping. And also because I want to get as much free Bitcoin as possible as I can, in addition to the ones that I've bought myself. So, want to join that club. I want the sweater. But aside from shaking your phone daily, this is another great reason to jump on Shakepay, right? It's called Shakepay. So when you get on Shakepay, let me show you something real quick. Back to the app. There is the Shakepay Visa card, right? And every time you use this card to pay for your purchases, you get the chance of getting Shakepay. And that's basically, Shakepay will reimburse you the cost of that purchase in the form of Bitcoin. So for example, this lucky individual, because it's randomly chosen, right? It's not guaranteed, but I've been lucky a few times to be Shakepay. But this particular person, so they spent $37.43 on food and they got Shakepay for it. So they basically got their food for free and got their $37.43 back in Bitcoin. So that's another great reason to use Shakepay. If you do want to join Shakepay, my referral link will be in the description of this video, because you do need a referral to sign up and be able to benefit from these bonuses that I've been talking about. So like I said, I've been lucky enough to be Shakepay a couple times. You can see my total Shakepay is, I've made a whole 152,000 Satoshis in Shakepay bonuses. So yeah, that's it for today. We're on day number 21 of our streak. Hopefully we can maintain it till we get to that Comma Club elite group. And like I said, if you do want to jump on Shakepay and start enjoying some of these benefits and earning yourself some free Bitcoin, my referral link will be in the video description. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video if you liked it, and also subscribe to the channel to continue to follow my journey. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.